Alex met Sam at Bexhill. They were first loves. They built forts together, shared sandwiches in high school, and were each other's first kiss. They were the dream couple until Sam while Alex enjoyed fluke. First loves that kind of like your current account if they aren't working fine. Maybe it's time to switch over current account switch service.
The co-op who know those everyday guide it can breathe new life into unwanted items, creating exquisite new pieces. Find us at Parchment Street, Manchester.
Can't be right, surely. Can someone confirm or deny? Valentine's Day, so we're going to do more for a single performance skating the Bolero, and they've revealed
At Coast Community Care, we help people of every generation live independently at home. Your needs can be simple or complex, as our flexible bespoke care packages are built around you, and our friendly team always go above and beyond, and nothing is too much trouble. It's like having another member of the family.
Coast Community Care, creating positive outcomes. For a free consultation, visit coasthomecare.co.uk.
£60 a month and £60 up front. Annual April airtime price rise of CPI plus 3.9% applies. Search 3 or head in store today.
both directions between Forsell Farm Roundabout and Clayhill.
A fancy dinner or a multi-compartment bin.
Stockco.uk.
Driver's license last week, just like we always talked about.
Is back, where you can save up to £250 per booking. Holiday, here we come. Lock in the cost by direct debit. Holiday deal booked. TUI. Live happy. Financially protected by Atoll. Booking T's and C's apply. Selected departures. Direct debit. Minimum 26 weeks from departure. Minimum spend applies. See website for details.
When you need urgent medical help, but you're unsure where to go, NHS 111. Call, go online, or use the NHS app to be assessed and directed to the right place for you.
There's help for households.
dead chicks, that's why you're acting like a bunch of cunts. They hop out of you with and they come with us. Cause we got game and
In the rain, it's fast black, and I'm gonna live life again.
I used to think I'd be a millionaire off of this road thing. 15, I sold my first bit of rock in the Stonebridge. Used to go and hear they heard the flow and heard the lyrics of music. Nobody tell you how I play it, so just listen my music. I'm smarter than you just because he tryna sort out his life. Go on, hottie, that's breathing. He ain't got body for a reason. Man 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 got body for a reason. For a reason. Man got body for a reason. Man got body for a reason. The man around here don't like guys, they will ride or die, but they shall fight crime in a nice life.